channel. So today we are going to the beach. We have Dao right here, Drew right here, and my sister right here, me, dad, and my mom. And we're gonna be going, and we're also gonna be watching the sunset, riding our rollerblades, scooters, and motorcycles. So let's go. So we just got McDonald's, but I forgot to record it. But here's our trash. Do you think I'm a bad vlogger because I didn't vlog that? No. In the water over there. So we just got here, we got all of our stuff. Ow! Wait! We just got here and we put our stuff in big red. You see? And my sister's pulling it. And the beach is that way. So let's go!
Ready?
So we are just here chilling. My mom's sleeping over here because she's sick. And my sister's playing with the sand. And my brother and his friend are in the water. After this, we're gonna go ride bikes, scooters, and motorcycles and stuff. But anyways, catch you guys later. So for a little bit, we've been working on this. Oh, I stepped on the seaweed. Okay, try to slide up now. Oh, you're not trying. Hurry up, Pablo! Again? Oh my god, now he's all sandy. Go. Oh yeah, Ron. Oh my god! What did she just do? What are you guys doing? So right now we just changed, and my sister has a GoPro right here.
Yeah, I do.
Vlogging it with the motorcycle, and we're waiting for my brother.
And the moon is over there.
Yeah, the moon is over there, and we're gonna be right to walk. We are just here walking, and we're just gonna be walking for a little bit. The water's that way, but we're just walking in the path.
Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in dark, I walk around the neighborhood. Feeling blessed, never stressed. Got that sunshine on my Sunday best. Better day despite the challenge. All you gotta do is leave it better than you found it. It's gonna get difficult to stand, but hold your balance. I just say whatever, cause there is no.
We're eating pizza, but it's kind of gone now. I always vlog when there's
There's a box right here on my lap.
Gotta know it'll all be fine.